Take a ride in the 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, panoramic moonroof, universal garage door opener, compass, fog lights, trip computer, clock. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.